This is Jose Saul from JS Remodeling. He is our contractor for our kitchen work. Just wanted to show you guys him in action and his partner. What's your partner's name?
Luis.
Louis.
Yeah, his name is Luis.
Okay. And this is Mr. Louis doing some work. Louise. Look at that beautiful work. The kitchen is staged for the refacing, remodeling folks to come in. Everything's been removed from the cabinets. This is the beginning. Already had our guy, our other contractor, Saul, come in and he wrapped the wall in the gray variations of different shades of wood shiplap. We installed the light above. Outside work area. See all the old cabinet doors and drawers. And he's doing cutting out here. He's cutting out here. Okay. This is the end of day one. We got all the doors off. The fronts of the drawers. He's already started covering this over here, this box over here. Hi, how are you?
Good morning, man. How you doing today?
Pretty good, and yourself?
I'm good. I can't complain.
This is just for my YouTube channel.
Okay, no problem. Just the old doors?
Yes, right here. All the old stuff. So they're here to pick up the old doors and to drop off new ones. Hi. That's Jay and what's your name? Tim. Kitchen. All right, end of day 2. Countertops are gone. The doors are gone. The stove is removed. The microwave is removed. The sink is removed. So they're gonna be here, I think, Jay told me Thursday to reinstall the stovetop, microwave, and then install the sink. So I can envision it. It's going to be beautiful. We got the setup here for the extended counter, or actually island. We had it extended by about 20 inches, I think. We had it extended to make it 60 inches so that we can put 3 bar stools around it. The legs have been installed. And the foundation. Got our pull-out drawers built. There and there. And tomorrow he's going to be putting on the doors and the crown molding very satisfied so far. Jay is a true professional and he does excellent work. They're the quiet close cabinets. Look at that. Granite countertops were installed today. Looking good. We'll get the stove hooked up tomorrow. And the faucet and sink, garbage disposal hooked up tomorrow. They're waiting to go outside. And then we get our backsplash hooked up the following week. Okay, day 7, final day for Kitchen Saver. The plumber / gas man came in, rehooked up the stove, put in the sink and the new faucet. And I didn't get a video of him doing those things, but I am completely satisfied with Kitchen Saver. So looks good.
Looks good? Muy
Yes.
bonito.
Yes.
Muy bonito.
Yes.